welcome to the Daily Exchange, where we are here with Varoon, Chief Marketing Officer of the HotNow blockchain, one of very few blockchain companies that can actually boast over 1 million users already. Does HotNow do?
So actually HotNow used to be the deal discovery platforms. We offer the promotion content for the merchant that they can post it in real time. So we offer the tools for merchant to do the push notification marketing to the nearby consumer. And also later on we're working with our mother company, the affiliate company called Axion Ventures, which actually own the studios game in China, in Russia, and also in Thailand, which we happen to just joint venture with the True Corporations, which is the second largest telco in Thailand. And then we roughly have like a few hundreds of developers developing and feeding this game content to the platform. Our mission right now, as we create this hot token as a currency for HotNow application, is we aim for people to just like using this token to redeem for coupons and all the stuff that offer in the platform, but they can also earn the token from the game side. So we're trying to introduce people to and using crypto daily, but not even have to tell them that's the crypto, so that's the adoption is go to streamline to the game content, and also they can redeem the rewards coupon in their real life. Yeah.
So the cryptocurrency itself is integrated into mobile games, presumably?
Yes. Actually, right now it's been a private project called the Evergreen Hill. It's our first game title that we have been developed for a year and a half. The game is pretty much the casual mining games. They both can be paid for females and also male. So we tend to launch these casual games for people, and they can play it on mobiles, and they can earn hot token to this game, and they can end up like having some real games item and also coupons content integrated in this game for players to just redeem it there. Right.
So as a player of one of these games, what do I see when I'm playing a hot token game?
Actually, you just play like the games. It's similar to like most of the games that you played, but there will be some interactive object in the game. Like so every game like that you play, it's okay. Let's say there's a coffee shop in the game, and then the merchants or the advertisers that using hot token to pay this advertising fees can advertise in this game by using hot, and then there will be branded asset in the game. So the players can interact with it, and when sometimes players interact, you can have the chance that the item drop into the coupons, and then it's stuck into their wallet, and they're using HotNow app to redeem in the front store. So that's how it's worked.
This is a replacement to the more interrupting, in-your-face advertising games often encounter.
So actually, we designed the experience to be more streamlined. If you can notice the pain points of the in-game advertising nowadays, it's actually like block your experience from playing it. For example, if you like go into some certain screen, they force you to watch through the video ads before you can receive your rewards for in-game any object. But for us, we kind of blend it into like the asset in the games, and then it depends on the players if he would like to interact with the object or not, and so also if he interact with it, he gets the rewards and also the token as well.
Sounds like it might be a much better option for advertisers too. They don't want to annoy their potential customers.
Right. Exactly. Right now we have been lining up most of the leading conglomerates brand in Thailand, and also the leading coffee shops and beauty and e-commerce and also logistic companies. Now it's been integrated into this particular ecosystem at this particular moment, but we're looking forward to launch in the next few months from now, so there will be a new big announcement about all of this project developments. Right.
So it sounds like you are partnering with some game development studios you mentioned, as well as developing your own games in-house.
Right.
Going forward, you're going to do more than one or the other?
Sure. Right now we're using our own games, I would say, just to experiment and be a showcase for most of the game developers out there for this in-game advertising effectiveness, and also try to measure the conversion. So after we prove all of this concept and learn that the adoption is pretty much high conversion from this in-game asset, we would like to invite other developers like maybe indie studios or any AAA title game developers to plug in their content, and also using our solutions to advertise to the advertisers that would like to advertise in this ecosystem as well.
So is it all programmed in real time? Can an advertiser buy an ad in a game, any game supported by the title?
Yes.
And that'll just plonk in there for users in real time?
There will be the dashboard that the advertiser can log in through. It's called the Hot Play service. So the application that Redemption is called HotNow, but this service called Hot Play, which actually has to use Hot Token. So the Hot Play, what it does is like the advertisers can go into the specific game content and they can choose the specific game. Like for example, this game is like the hardcore players, like PvP. If they would like to advertise some hardcore products, energy drinks, they can choose this type of game and then like put their branded content in some particular object or the scene. They can choose to do that, but it's have to go through the bidding system as well. So it depends on the advertiser A and advertiser B has to bid for the space by using the hot token to be the transaction.
So you can target individual games. Is there any kind of way advertisers can target individual subsections? For example, I want to target Call of Duty players in Canada only, or one part of Canada only.
Yeah.
Is that doable?
Yeah, sure. That could be the option available for any game that lists on the platform. They can choose their age, gender, and the length of the locations or the game type. And then the price will be depends on how niche the market they're trying to specific into the target market. So that's the advertiser choice that they can choose from our platform. Yeah.
It's somewhat intimidating for users maybe to provide this kind of information.
Not really. Actually, on the game side, we didn't kind of ask them to begin with from the information when they walk into the game. They just play it along. But once they would like to redeem all of these coupons and gain benefit from the ecosystem, we keep asking them to collect data. And at that particular in time, they know that they give it just to receive the rewards and trying to give the information of the data at that point. So that's how we design the journey for how it should be.
I guess it does deliver, they get coupons. The hot tokens that players earn can be redeemed for coupons at certain stores. Just delivers real value, right?
Yes. So actually right now you can redeem for like, for example, there's a coffee shop listing right now. They have like 70 branches in Thailand. And as of today, you may purchase this coupon discount of 30 baht using like 3 tokens to purchase it. And also there will be the donuts brands also line up and the ice cream that feature in the app. Like you can check it out. It's live up there. You can download the application and by the way, right now we have the 10 token rewards as for the first register user as well. So it's a good experience to try out.
So right now you can play a game and just redeem that game time for real things.
Right. So exactly, you can like earn mining tokens from this game, and you can exchange those virtual goals in the game into this real tokenized coin, and then you can redeem for the real stuff. But you end up have to pay in baht and the upfront store anyway, because right now we launch in Thailand, so we're using baht and token. So token itself just unlock the discount value for the coupons, but you have to eventually end up spending some cash upfront there. So that's the experience of how it works.
Right. As it is a mutually beneficial ecosystem you're creating here for all parties.
Of course, we don't try to touch the government in the aspect that okay, the hot token will become something greater than bad. We can actually like line up together with all of this cash spending behavior. And I think like eventually, no matter how growth of the e-commerce industry is, but the brick and mortar and also the physical store represent around like 90% of the market eventually. So right now we're trying to target those unbanked people without credit cards. They were still using cash a lot in Thailand. So this mechanic is really work in the coupon redemption in Thailand and most majority in Southeast Asia, I would say. Yep.
Sounds like a fascinating model you've got going there. Thanks for sharing with us.
Yes, thank you. Okay.
Daily Exchange, coming to you from Singapore.